Good morning. Well, actually, technically, good afternoon because it's 12. It is very gloomy outside, so yeah, I thought it was earlier than it was, but whatever. We're here, starting the day. I opened up the blinds, so there's Nugget looking outside. That's like his favorite place to be. Since it is raining, I'm gonna try to fix my room because there's nothing else to do, and my room desperately needs it. I also need a wash, like 4 loads. No, that's a little excessive. Maybe 3 loads of clothes, but I know it's definitely 2. No, it's 3 because I need to wash my sheets as well. So yeah, but first step is make coffee because I'm not gonna survive if I don't make coffee, and fix my hair because yes. Wow. So short. Hello. Is it me or I don't know the words. And my coffee super hot. Okay, so whenever I got over there, whenever I was like taking it, this was like half full. And whenever I got over there, it was empty. But like nothing was wet, nothing. I don't know how it got out. Like how? This was closed the entire time. So like, you know, like how? It was rose water. The first thing I need to do is wash. But I'm not going to right now because I think my sister's sleeping and the laundry room is in my sister's room. So can't really do that. So I think I'm gonna start on this mess. Is it just me, or like my preferences, or like my recommended page that is like recommending a bunch of morning routines, or is it like everybody's? Is that just like a thing now? Like I know they're a thing, but like is it a thing right now? Or has it been a thing? You know? I don't know. Just, you know. Ooh. I want to go help my mom. My gosh. Bring in some groceries. Either I'm blind or my eyes are not adjusted. Anyway, I knew that being jet lagged was a thing, but I had never experienced it until now because we flew back around midnight and then we got here at 5 in the morning, and then we got home like at 6 and slept till like 1ish. And so like I don't know if it's just being back home because I used to go to sleep late anyway, but whenever we were over there we used to fall asleep like at 10, like the latest 10:30. So now that I'm back, I've been going to sleep later, like at 11:30, midnight. And I don't know if it's because I'm so jet lagged or if it's just because I'm going back to my old routine. And the reason why I'm saying that is because my eye bags have been very bad lately. And I don't know if this concealer is my shade or not, but I'm just gonna have to deal with it. I don't know if my foundation is my right shade anymore either. I haven't tested anything since I got back. But I got a little bit tan. But I don't think it should be that big of a difference. Because like I'm not even that tan, you know? When I got back I was sunburned. I wasn't tan. Like my nose is still sunburned. So like my nose doesn't match up. But like the rest of my face is pretty okay. The dog next door keeps howling, and it's like the most depressing sound ever. And like, I don't know what's wrong with that dog, but I feel so bad. Cause like it's just been howling like non-stop this whole morning. Okay, my face is kind of one. I don't know, my lights in my room kind of suck, so we'll have to see about that later. I'm gonna go put away groceries and then come back to fix all of this.
An hour later!
Okay, so I think it is gonna be 4 loads. Okay, so I just put my clothes to wash, and I'm about to wash dishes because our kitchen's a mess. So yeah. That dog has been howling since every freaking day. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat and then keep going. Okay, so I'm about to fold my clothes, but I realized that my mic was actually creating some static. So if there's any static in the beginning of this video, that's why, and I'm sorry, because I tried to fix it and it didn't work. So if you're static, that's why. Or if it sounds like quieter with more static, something like that, I don't know. But it's like annoying, but please deal with it. So yeah, now I'm just gonna fold my clothes. Okay, so it's the next day and I'm still cleaning.
Early the next morning.
At 2:30, I have to drop off my computer because the screen is broken. So I'm gonna drop that off to go get it fixed.
1 week later.
I finally got my laptop back, so now I can start editing this video, which is why it's taking a bit to get this out. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to end the video. Thanks for watching, and I just noticed that there's a big mess back there, so bye.